Hi guys, so like one of my parents, they got arrested and I cannot afford bail because I just paid for my son's baseball uniform. Anyways, so I guess you guys have to help me and buy more CDs. I got this one. This is the golf version. I got the courtrooms editions. I got the one with the black hair. I got this one. This one took me a lot of hard work to do the makeup. I got the pinky version. The pretty and petty version. So if you guys could like go to my website and just, or Amazon or iTunes, and just please support me. I'm just going through a hard time right now. Please help me bail my mother out.